Hello, I'm Maciej. We are in Gdynia in airspace, Cosmos theme park. We have here over 1,000 square meters of inflatable parks. We have opened since summer 2019. We already have 4 trampoline parks in Poland. Every day we are thinking about what to do next. That was the next idea, to open something for younger kids. We start thinking about opening something with astronauts, rockets, and more about space. We start talking about it with JB, and they will start making projects for us. I was looking for a company, and I saw that it's a huge company. My project I thought is huge, so that's why I need to talk with a big company. So in the park we have 3 big sliders. It's a main attraction for kids. There is also a huge airbag, so kids can jump on it safely. So we have 2 ninja courses here with an IPS system. Kids can make a competition on it and have a lot of fun. The main thing I think was that I stay with this company, with the JP. There's young people working and making projects, so they understand what young people need. And there is a problem with the product, we call to them and they will come and repair it as fast as they can. In general, this was a really good cooperation, very fast answer on email. I think it's a good partner to do it again and again, because we are thinking about to open another one. So it's good that we good partner to do a place like that.